Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Aflac for supplemental insurance claims, beginner guide step by step clearly. To log into Aflac for supplemental insurance claims, start by opening your preferred web browser. Type in the Aflac website URL in the address bar and press enter. Once the site loads, look for the login option, typically located at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. On the login page, you will see fields for your username and password. Enter your username in the designated box. Next, input your password in the corresponding field. If you have forgotten your password, look for the Forgot Password link and click on it for recovery options. Once you have entered your login credentials, double-check them for accuracy. When you are ready, click on the Login button to access your account. After logging in successfully, navigate to the Claims section found in the main dashboard. Follow the prompts to initiate a new claim for your supplemental insurance. Fill out the necessary information as required for your claim submission. Once you've completed the form, review your details to ensure everything is correct. Then, submit your claim by clicking on the designated button. You should receive a confirmation message verifying that your claim has been submitted. If you encounter any issues during the login process, look for customer support options on the website. Aflac also provides additional resources and FAQs that may help troubleshoot common problems. Now you are ready to manage your Aflac claims online. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.